Hello, good day. On behalf of the Group 5, I am Gresham Salas de la Cruz, selected to present our research proposal entitled How Artificial Intelligence Enhances Efficiency in Human Resource Screening. In today's digital age, many organizations are integrating artificial intelligence into their recruitment processes. Compared to traditional approaches, AI allows for quicker, more accurate, and more consistent evaluation of job applicants. However, even with these benefits, the overall effectiveness of AI in HR screening and the challenges associated with its use remains unclear, specifically in institutional setting. With this, our study aims to assess how AI improves screening efficiency in terms of speed, accuracy, workload reduction, and consistency, while also identifying the challenges experienced by HR professionals. This research seeks to provide useful insights to enhance recruitment practices in modern organizations. First, let me present our statement of the problem. This study will identify the role of AI in enhancing efficiency in screening through this. First, the researcher will identify the socio-demographic profile of our respondents. Next, the researcher will measure the efficiency level of AI in HR screening. And lastly, the researcher will measure the challenges of HR upon the usage of AI in screening. Upon writing this proposal, the researcher read plenty of literature and studies from various sources, and the researcher identified gaps in the study. First, there is limited empirical research conducted within actual institutional setting, as most studies are either theoretical or conducted in a broader context. Second, there is a lack of localized data, particularly in the Philippine setting. This study aims to fill these gaps by providing real world, context specific evidence on the efficiency of AI in screening within a defined institutional environment, which proves that this study is relevant, timely, and necessary to work with. The study is anchored on the technology acceptance model and resource based view theory. Tam explains how users' perception of usefulness and ease of use influence their acceptance in AI in screening, which affect its effectiveness. On the other hand, RBV views as AI strategic organizational resource that enhances performance, particularly in improving screening speed, reducing workload, accuracy, and consistency. These theories provide a comprehensive understanding of both user behavior and organizational benefits in adopting AI. On conceptual framework, it shows that the efficiency of AI in screening significantly affects screening speed, manual reduction, workload, accuracy in matching job requirements, and its consistency in candidate evaluation. However, these relationships is influenced by mediating factors such as challenges encountered during AI implementation. These challenges help explain whether the impact of AI is strengthened or weakened. Meanwhile, the socio-demographic profile of respondents provide contextual understanding of how different groups perceive and experience AI in screening. For our methodology, the study uses or will use a descriptive quantitative research design to describe the profile of our respondents, their perception of AI efficiency in screening, and the challenges they encounter. The quantitative approach allows the researcher to gather measurable data through structured questionnaires, which are then analyzed using statistical tools. This study employed total enumeration or census sampling, where all 14 HR personnel of the CLSU Human Resource Management Office were included as respondents. These methods, this method was used because the population is small, allowing the researchers to collect data from everyone, thereby minimizing sampling bias and improving the completeness of the data. For our respondents, will come from the Human Resource Management Office of CLSU, where are the human resource employees. Their profiles include position, years of surveys, AI tools used, and the purpose of using AI tools. These characteristics are important as they may influence their perceptions and experiences regarding AI in HR screening. For our collection of data, we'll use a structured survey questionnaire that will be distributed personally to the respondents. Prior to data collection, permission and consent will be obtained from the appropriate authorities. The purpose of the study will explain to the respondents and they will be given sufficient time to answer the questionnaire, which will later be retrieved by the researcher. After gathering the data, the researcher will analyze it using descriptive statistics such as frequency, percentage, and mode. Frequency and percentage will be used to describe the respondent's profile and summarize the challenges encountered. For the Likert scale responses, the mode will be utilized to determine the most frequent perception of respondents regarding the efficiency of AI in HR screening. As shown here, this formula will be used in analyzing the responses of our respondents. So P represents the percentage is equal to F over N, where represent the frequency and N represents the total population, and it will be multiplied by 100 to get the percentage of the responses. So that concludes our presentation for our research proposal entitled How Artificial Intelligence Enhances Efficiency in Human Resource Screening. That will be all. Thank you.